Order of operations in less than 3 minutes.
PEMDAS or PEDMAS are common acronyms used to remember the order in which mathematical operations are to be done.
P for parentheses, which are to be done first.
Exponents are next.
Then multiplication or division in the order they appear from left to right.
Finally, addition or subtraction in the order they appear from left to right.
Great!
Now for an example.
Parentheses first.
In the innermost parentheses, we have multiple operations, multiplication and subtraction.
Multiplication has the highest precedence, so multiply first to get 3 minus 28.
3 minus 28 becomes negative 25. Then still in the parentheses, add 5 to get negative 20.
Now that we're done with parentheses, we move on to exponents.
First we find the cube of negative 2 to get negative 8.
Now we multiply negative 1 with negative 20 and negative 8 with 24.
This leaves 20 minus 192, which is negative 172.
Remember now, for order of operations, PEMDAS or PEDMAS.
Thanks for watching. Book one-on-one tutorials at www.arkai.com.